If your website traffic is as slow as a snail on a lazy day, you're in need of a digital revamp. Let's dive straight into the heart of digital marketing with a splash. First up, content is king, but engagement is queen, and she wears the pants. So how do you get Her Majesty on your side? Start by knowing your audience. Are they young tech wizards or savvy shopping enthusiasts? Tailor your content to meet their desires and watch your engagement soar. Next, SEO isn't just a fancy acronym, it's your best friend in the digital realm. Imagine SEO as your personal GPS guiding floods of traffic straight to your website. Use relevant keywords, optimize your meta tags, and don't forget mobile optimization. Because let's face it, everyone's glued to their phones nowadays. And speaking of phones, social media is the wild party you need to be at. It's not just about posting, it's about connecting. Create posts that are not just seen but felt. Use stories to show behind the scenes, polls to gauge interest, and live sessions to create real-time connections. Remember, if you're not engaging, you're not growing. Lastly, don't just whisper into the void. Analyze. Use tools to track what works and refine your strategy. Data is your compass in the vast sea of digital marketing. Keep testing, keep learning, and keep optimizing. Because in this digital dance, the music never stops. So are you ready to turn up the volume on your digital presence? Let's make some noise and make sure the digital world knows who you are.